Good day, fellow miner. I guess you're new into cryptocurrency mining and I want to congratulate with your journey. Let's not waste any time and let's get into the tutorial. So, to get the T-Rex miner, obviously what we have to do is type in T-Rex miner into the Google. We have a GitHub section and we have an option to download it from the T-Rex miner official website. I would go to the trexminer.com, go to the download section, and what I can do here is download the Windows version of the T-Rex miner. Click download and wait for it to finish the download. Once the zip file has been downloaded, you can click to it to open. And as you can see, we have a lot of files right here. And what we have to do is extract these files. But very often Windows Defender doesn't let you to do so. So what we have to do is disable the protection for a moment. Go to the Windows settings, go to the privacy and security, Windows security, Windows threat and protection, and manage these settings. Click on that and disable the real-time protection. This is for a moment only. Don't worry, a lot of people are using the T-Rex miner and it is not a virus, definitely. So what we can do now is extract the files. And by that I can select everything what we have here and drag it to another folder where I want the T-Rex miner to be. As you can see, we have a lot of miners right here. So what we have to choose is the coin which we want to basically mine. As you can see, we have a lot of options: the Ethereum Cash, Firo, Ravencoin, Zero, and a bunch of them. And once we chosen the coin, then we have to choose the pool. In my case, I want to mine Ethereum and the pool would be 2 miners. So what I would want to do is right click this file, show more options if you're using Windows 11, and go to edit section. We have opened a notepad and right here what we can see is the basically wallet right here. This is the only important thing what we have to change. This is the developer's wallet. In case you forget to change it, you will mine to developer's wallet. So we have to change this wallet into ours wallet. Right now I've got my wallet from the Coinbase, and what I can do basically is paste in right here my wallet. And make sure to save this file. Go to the file and just press save. Once it is saved, you are almost ready to mine. The last thing what you have to do is just double click the miner to start the miner. As you have clicked it, you have to wait for everything to load up, and we'll wait for it. Once the hash rate is displaying in your miner, it means that you are mining and it is pretty good. But we have to double check if we are mining into our pool. So what we have to do for that is go into your pool website and type in your wallet right here. We search and we have to see if we have a miner mining. So as you can see, my miner is on. I have some unpaid balance and I can see my hash rate. It means that I am truly mining with my GPUs into my wallet. So that is it for today. Hope you liked it and see you later. Bye.